The 80-20 Principle, The Secret to Achieving More with Less, by Richard Koch, is a guide to leveraging the Pareto Principle, commonly known as the 80-20 rule, to improve efficiency in both personal and professional life. This principle states that 80% of outcomes often result from 20% of efforts, meaning a small portion of inputs tends to generate the majority of results. Koch's book explores how understanding and applying this rule can lead to significant gains in productivity, success, and satisfaction. At the heart of the book is the idea that the imbalance between effort and results is universal. Koch uses the example of Vilfredo Pareto's original observation that 80% of the land in Italy was owned by 20% of the population to explain how this phenomenon manifests across various aspects of life. The book asserts that by identifying the most productive 20% of actions, resources, or time, one can eliminate or reduce the ineffective 80%, allowing for more focused and impactful efforts. In a professional setting, Koch highlights how the 80-20 principle can be used to maximize efficiency and profit. For instance, in business, 80% of sales often come from 20% of clients, and 80% of product defects can result from 20% of causes. Koch advises focusing on these critical areas to boost performance. Companies can streamline their operations by identifying and nurturing the most profitable customers, products, or activities, while cutting down on non-productive ones. Koch also stresses the importance of simplicity in business. By cutting out unnecessary tasks or projects that don't contribute significantly to success, managers and entrepreneurs can create leaner, more agile organizations. This allows for better resource allocation and more time spent on high-value activities. The 80-20 principle isn't just limited to business. Koch argues that individuals can use it to improve their personal lives. By focusing on the 20% of activities or relationships that bring the most joy and fulfillment, people can reduce stress and increase happiness. He suggests cutting back on the 80% of tasks or commitments that offer little value or satisfaction. This approach encourages prioritizing what truly matters, whether it's a hobby, a relationship, or a personal goal. Throughout the book, Koch provides practical methods for applying the 80-20 principle. He encourages readers to constantly assess where they are investing their time, energy, and money, and to ask themselves which activities yield the greatest return. By making this a habit, people can make smarter choices, work less, and achieve more. Ultimately, the 80-20 principle encourages readers to focus on the few things that really matter and let go of the rest. By mastering this principle, Koch argues, individuals and businesses can achieve greater success with less effort. The book is a strategic guide for anyone looking to be more productive, whether in business or in everyday life.